Hello everybody, welcome to our Shumatt's live channel. I'm Caitlin. Today we will bring you one of our hard-selling valve assembly for you, this one. And firstly, the package is WVCI anti-rust bag, right? And here this is the label. And actually the label information includes this product code is F00RJ01692. And with the application injector number is 04451200081, etc. For the local label packages of this valve assembly, or we can support customized service. The inside packages can be better protected valve assembly during the transportation. And 1 layer of the oil paper to wrap it up. Each product will supply 6 months warranty time, so you got the quality guaranteed. That's the valve assembly. Firstly, let's see the valve cap. Deal with the coating figures on the groove. And this is the valve rod. If you want to install the valve assembly, you'd better to make sure the valve cap in the right position and the valve rod can be moved smoothly off the injector body. Okay, so much for today's product introduction. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Wish you have a good day. Bye!